Hello guys. Welcome to my channel The Techies Support. Today we are going to learn how to reset apps and programs in Windows 10 and 11. So, here's a quick tutorial video for you. In this video I am going to show you what we can do if any app on your PC is not working properly on Windows 10 or 11. Without any further delay, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So, all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in Settings. Then you want to select Apps. After that, select the Apps and Feature from the left-hand panel. Now on the right hand you can see all the applications. Locate whatever app you're having the problem within this list, select the app and click on it. Below you will see Advanced Options. Click on the Advanced Options. Please note that not all apps will have advanced options to reset. For example, if we go to another app, say Google Chrome doesn't give you that option in here, you would have to just uninstall or reinstall it. In my upcoming tutorial video, I will show you how to reset Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. But in here these are for the general application. Mostly the built-in apps. So, let's go ahead and select the application. Advanced Options, scroll down and you'll notice there's a couple options underneath the reset. So the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app status won't be affected. But one thing, the repair feature is only available for Windows 11, not for Windows 10. I would suggest to repair first. As my PC is running Windows 10, I don't have that repair feature. But I would try that and then see if once you relaunch the application, see if the problem has been resolved. If you're still having a problem, you can then go down to the second option here that the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted, but before you do, try resetting from within the app's own settings page instead of here. That way you won't lose all of your app's data, so this basically just a little bit extra. For other application, when you uninstall it may give you options to modify or repair, so you can do it from there for those applications. Go ahead and reset it at this point. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, even and sign-in details. Go ahead and select Reset, and then once that is done, I would suggest restarting your computer. It's a good practice. Guys, hopefully I was able to help resolve your problem, and as always, thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel to put up more tutorial videos. Thank you.